Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not the same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P Chucks. I don't even know what the fuck that is. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Alright, gang, without further ado, let's get straight into it. P Chucks, what the fuck is all of that, man? Alright, my beautiful people, you already know what it is. Come on. Today we have this fetching. Let me give you a little twirlage. You know what I'm saying? We got this fetching piece right here. I'm just gonna lift this up so we can see, make sure that you all can see every single moment of what we're talking about here. We have this CP Company times Barbour. I'm gonna call it an aviation hat. That's what I'm gonna call it, an aviation. Just imagine your biggles, you're about to jump in the old Spitfire and you're about to go save the world from the tyrants. Do you know what I mean? Imagine you've got one of these on, no doubt you're smoking a Camel or something, you got a blimmin' sheepskin bit of neck, you know, foliage, and you got one of those AVIATION jackets on, but one of the proper old school ones. Alright, now you've pictured that, you got this on. How can you not win? How can you not win? Anyway, guys, let's get into the piece. Let's give you a little look right here. So you have this beautiful, I would like to call it an aviation hat, given all that description I've given you right there. As you can see, CP Company Barbour right there. So what you have here is you have these two flaps here. I will call them ear flaps, and they can go up like so. Let me just remove this quickly, just so I can show you, because obviously it will be a bit easier. So they can go up like that. Oops, let me see. Sorry, the light is messing with my eyes. I can't see properly. So if it's a bit crooked, let me know, guys. So they would go on like that. You see that? Boom. So you've got the flappage up. I would never wear it up like that, really. I prefer it wearing it down, cover the old ears. Do you know what I mean? Ears for fears. Yes, anyway, and of course, you have these. Ooh, we almost had an accident, guys. It's windy as fuck. Of course, and out in the wild, the wind bloweth the camera. The man has to steady it. Anyway, guys, I don't know what's going on. It's all going crazy. You have these beautiful goggles which pull down like so. And of course, I can't see much here. And then, boom, goggle life. Hello, I'm descending from outer space to find another race. I might have done that already. Check my other CP Company goggle jacket video. Anyway, so those go like that. The wind is crazy, guys. Let me also show you. Look, as you can see, CP Company Barbour right there, and that is stitched on. Of course, you've got the CINQUENTA right there in red, which is a nice touch there, stitched on. This is all stitched on, it's not printed. Really dope. This is made out of 100% cotton, I believe. I will tell you now, it is 100% cotton. Of course, you've got the Barbour inside check right there, which is synonymous with Barbour. If you've got any of their jackets, really dope. Of course, you have the care label right there, and right there you have the Barbour CP Company CINQUENTA label right there. You have this nice adjustment piece here, which allows you to adjust the tightness of the hat on your head. So if you've got a tiny little head, you can adjust it a bit more. I went for a medium in this, and it is perfect. It is literally perfect, guys. Yeah, I went for a medium. Perfect, and yeah. What else can I say other than I'm dropping it, trying to stop the camera from falling? I do this all for you guys, man. I do this all for you. Alright, cool. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's it. No, guys, that's not it. I'm going to go around the circle and I'm going to be right back. Let's do it. Shit, was that magic? Did I just leave? Am I back? Alright, guys. Here we have another piece. Oh, caught ya. Here we have another piece from the Barbour CP Company CINQUENTA range. Let's have a look. You know what I mean? The CINQUENTA means 50th year, by the way, of CP Company. It doesn't mean 50th year of CP Company. CINQUENTA just means 50. So yeah, like, you know. Anyway, we have this fetching CP Company Barbour rucksack in this. I want to call it a desert brown. I've made that up, but we're gonna call it a desert brown because that's what it is. Really beautiful piece. piece. I bought this piece alongside this piece. I didn't get the jacket because yeah, I wasn't crazy about them. I just wanted some little accoutrements, and here we have it. So let's get into the bag. So you have this beautiful piece here, CP Company Barbour. Once again, that is stitched on. You see the CINQUENTA label right there, that red label, and it is a beautiful rucksack. Of course, you have two army style pockets there which lift up. Let me just lift that up for you, and that is fastened by a push down rivet button. I need to find out what these are called. I just call them push down buttons. And inside you've got that nice, if I can show you, if the sun's not too crazy, let's get in there. You can't really see, sun all of a sudden decided to be crazy, but I'll show. Inside you have that Barbour check yet again. If you can just see there, you see that, the Barbour check right there. Yeah, quite deep. You can put a few things in there, you know, if you're going on your little hunting, and we don't hunt because it's cruel, isn't it, but you're going on the hunting for mushrooms or something, you're going foraging, so you can put, you know, a whole handful of the blue top mushrooms in there. Do you know what I mean? Get back, sell them for profit. Sorry, is that drug dealing? My bad, you're not doing that. Anyway, and of course Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, and you've got the exact same pocket on the other side. The only difference being that that pocket on the left has the CINQUENTA and the other one does not. Okay, as you can see, you've got this pull rope here, which is to fasten your bag. So obviously, before I get into that, just let's do it bit by bit. Right now you have this fastener here, like your little belt fastener, and it has 3 rivet holes which you can fasten to. I believe they should have had a little bit more, but it's fine. You've got this nice metal buckle right there. It's a nice little metal buckle right there, which gives you fastening properties. And of course you've got this canvas belt, shall we say, which allows you to fasten to the buckle. Ooh, that wind is crazy, yo, it's crazy. Now, lifting that's, you've got that flap, which obviously has the CP Company Barbour inscribed on it in thread. Really nice and thick, that. Oops, careful. Really nice and thick, that, guys. You know what I mean? You put your finger over it, it's like a braille kind of thing. Really dope. I'm under the elements here. Okay, now if we look in the bag, I'm going to try and do this ASAP before the wind blows me and the bag away. So you've got this nice little strip, nice little rope here, which allows you to tighten, and fasten the bag. So if we just look, there you go, you've got that nice little canvas bit there, you just pull that. Now you've loosened the bag and you are in the bag. Let's have a look. From the camera falling to the wind blowing to me talking, it's all good. So there you have that Barbour CP Company CINQUENTA in a diamond shape right there. Let me just step back so you can see that. You have that in a nice diamond shape right there. You've got the label, and of course you've got that Barbour check. You've got this zip which goes at the top right here, zip, and then boom, you can put your envelopes, a few coins in there, nothing too much. A phone, I wouldn't put too much in there, you know what I mean, weigh you down and all of that. Okay, so in this bag, the bag is super deep, man. It's super deep. Like, you could literally forage a whole forest of mushrooms, take it back and still have enough space, because remember, you've got the 2 front pockets. Really dope, guys. It's super dope. Of course the zip on the inside has this nice zip pull with that Barbour logo right there, as you can see. Really super dope touch. Of course you've got your care label right there, boom, and you've got your threaded adjuster, which goes all the way through like a Dutch rope. You see that? Yep, boom, and then that allows you to pull and adjust. When I adjust, I do this, a quick little tie, just so that, you know what I mean, I'm not adjusting and forever adjusting. Boom, that will keep it in place. A nice little tie. I don't know what knot that's called. I'm gonna call it a phoenix knot. Yeah, and that, my beautiful people, seems to be that. I'm just gonna double check before I tell you falsehoods and say that it's finished when it's not finished, and nobody wants that. As you can see, you've got the nice canvas straps right there, and these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, holes which allow you to adjust. I'm be honest, I need them to have like does, which is 12. Another 6 going up here would be perfect, because then you can, I'll show you what I mean, then you can really, you know, adjust it. Because I have to do this at the moment, do you know what I mean, like I'm wearing braces. Hey, you want some, like I have to do that at the moment. Whereas, you know, if I could fasten it there, then I'd be on top of the world. So what I might do is take it in store and get a little bit of a fastener, you know, that way, you know, you've got the coolest of the cool. Guys, you already know what this is. This has been Once We Are the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I've been your host P5, aka P Out in the Elements. This has been another episode of nice bit of kit that, guys, I hope you've liked the pieces of kit that I've brought to you. I hope you like that I've bloody been holding this camera, trying not to let the wind blow us away. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. And as always, guys, stay fly, stay dope. Remember, clothes don't make the man, man makes the clothes. You know what I'm saying? Alright, gang, mad love before I get blown away. Peace.